Hello and welcome back. In this video we've gone and completed all of the images and text we want to put in onto this web page. But you'll recall that we have a little bit of a problem. And that is this, is if the user wants to resize their web page, what happens is that everything does not stay perfectly aligned. So what we need to do is to actually put in some HTML code in order to make sure that everything is as good as it can be. So let's go and do that. This is going to involve our style CSS. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to view and I'm going to use the code view. Because at the moment, all we're interested in is this. So this is our style sheet information, a description of what is happening to all of the elements. Now, we're going to be needing to add text for the information and for the list. And this is what I want you to type in, and we'll do one and then we'll see what it looks like. So in here, I'm going to ask you to type. Now we're going to simply type in the word margin and you'll see a very helpful list turn up. I want you to do margin left and I want you to select auto. And most importantly, I want you to put in a semicolon. Otherwise, you're not going to get this format. So return that and then we're going to do margin right. So margin right. And we're going to select auto and we're going to put in a semicolon. And finally, we're going to put in width. And we want to put in here, not inherit, but simply 200 px, semicolon. Okay, so what does that look like first of all? Well, if we go to view and split and code live and we click in here, we see that we've got a bit of a problem. And the reason for that, if we go back to view and code, is that what it's saying is that no matter how far we pull this window in and out, it will always be the same. And it's going to go according to the margins. Our width is essentially the width of the box, so we're not going to get any the words closing in on each other. But for it to work correctly, we need to get rid of this text indent. So let's get rid of that. Let's go back to our view and split and code live and refresh. Okay, so we have that. Let's go and do the bottom one and then we'll see how it looks when we put it on the preview. So same again, we're going to go to view and code and we're going to make it a bit easier. Let's just grab all of this and let's go copy into our list and we can put it down here and go paste. But we again want to get rid of our text indent. So your code should look like this in the style sheet. We go to view, we're going to go to split code live, click to refresh, and now finally we go into our preview and we can, as you see, move our window in and out and everything stays where it should. Please make sure that you file and save everything. So file, save all. Thank you for watching and all the best in completing this work. Bye-bye.